What's up? I am Saiasmi Gupta, co-founder of 10x Coder Kids, and today we are gonna be solving JavaScript practice set questions of part number 3. So while doing it, our concepts are gonna be crystal clear, right? Thank you so much, Code with Harry, for making so much of outstanding tutorials and also then making practice set questions so that we have great practice. Thank you so much, Code with Harry. Alright, I'll keep me here. Okay. We're gonna create a REPL. So I made this JavaScript folder. You can follow me on Replit. Okay. So I'll create a REPL. What do I name it? JavaScript. Okay, till then let's read a question. Create a variable of types. Oh, this is chapter 1. Sorry.
आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखने वाले हैं कुछ प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस लूप्स के ऊपर और फंक्शंस के ऊपर। हम लोग चलेंगे कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन में, देखेंगे लूप्स किस तरह के अलग अलग तरह से काम करते हैं।
Come
of a
on.
student in an object using for.
Okay. Write a program to print the marks of a student in an object using for loop. Okay, pretty easy. So using for loop is a big process and you might not understand. So we are gonna use the for each loop. For each loop is very easy, right? So what we're gonna do is we actually don't even have to worry about it or write so much. Oh right, of course. We have to make an object with 100 marks. Sion, my brother, with 99 marks because I'm better than him. Everybody knows. And then my subscribers who will also get 100 marks. Okay. Let's see if our code is working. Let's just see if our Replit is working perfectly fine. Right. Oh god, where did I keep me? Oh god. I'm so confused right now. Yes. So here you can see we have got our object. Okay. So now we're gonna use for let I in. We are using the using for in loop for question 1. Let I in marks, right? And close and Okay, so now what we're gonna do is yes, console.logs marks of I. From from I we are getting all the keys, Saiasmi, Scion, and subscribers. And marks I is basically getting the value. These are the key value pairs, right? As you guys know. So from the marks I, basically it's getting us the keys. So look, marks of Saiasmi are 100, marks of Scion are 99, marks of subscribers are 100. So question number 1 is done, right? I'm gonna make multiple cursors. Oh wait, sorry. Oh, one second. Oh, sometimes it's okay. So next we are doing question number 2. Oh, we already, question number 2 is write the program in question 1 using for and loop. So we have already done this. So question number 3. Write a program to print try again until the user enters the correct number. Okay. So question number 2, what we're gonna do is, look guys, it has already gotten this because I had practiced this, but you might think it's too complicated. So this is how you'll do question number 1 using the for loop. Okay, it's very complicated. So what were we doing? Yeah. So we all already know this because we have already done it. Yes. Oh wait, what we're doing? One second, sorry. Okay, so in this we'll get the number. Then what we're gonna do is we have to print try again till the user guesses the correct number, right? I'm gonna do let I. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is while I is not equal to a, I is equal to prompt enter a. Right, from this we should have it. Oh, why did I do it capital? Let me just see that our code works. Okay, I'm gonna give 54. Then now the random number. Oh wait, actually, why should I give? Yeah. Where did I give alert and not alert? What? Where did I give alert? Bro, literally. I don't know. I'll just run again. Oh, now it's working. Okay. I was like, where have I given alert? Okay, so I have just given a random number 43. I'll give 27. Right. So what's happening here? We have a variable which we have the number and we want the user to guess the correct number. Right? We cannot play this game because of course we know the number, right? So then we have made a variable let I. Then what we are doing, while I is not equals to the correct number, I'll try again. Now why did I give it first try again? That is because if I'll give it after, then basically look, I'll show you. We could have given it after also, we can give it in front also. Now we know the number is 27. Let's give 54. Let's give 45. Blah, 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 blah. Then we give 27. You have entered the correct number. Now why did we not get the try again? Oh, that is why we had given it on the top. Let's have 27 now. You have entered the correct number. Okay, so that's what it is. So yeah, we have done question number 2, and yeah, we have crushed question number 2. Now we're gonna do question number 3. I hope you understood question number. I hope you understood question number 2. Here, what we did simply that we just made a variable with any random number, whatever you want. We made a variable I. We did while I is not equal to correct number. Show try again. Prompt enter the correct number. We are basically asking it again and again and again and again. Oops, there is this. Try again. 21. Try again. 27. Try again. Look, now it got try again. Then it got correct number. So we don't want that to happen, right? That's why we gave it on top. That time I was not explaining you because I did not have this example come up in my mind. Okay guys, so this was question number 3. And if it does not go in the while loop and we have guessed the correct number, it would get alert. You have entered a correct number. Next is write a function to find the mean of 5 numbers. So mean is average. Very easy. We all know basically. Add the 5 numbers and divide it by the number. Basically, sum of all numbers divide by total number of numbers. Okay. So what was I gonna do? Oh right. Const z. Yes, we can do that. And now what we're gonna do is return and yeah. Oops. Oh god, what am I doing? So basically now we are passing the values of A, B, C, D and E, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, we're just gonna go 27 right away. 3. Now let's see if we got the correct number. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 divided by 5, 3. We got the correct. We got the correct answer. And like that, we have completed our exercise. Completed. Right? And yeah, guys, this was it. Pretty easy. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and understood all the concepts. If any doubts, please don't hesitate to ask, and thank you so much for writing those beautiful comments. Thank you, guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Bye, guys.